Welcome to Excel Campus. My name is John, and in this video I'm going to share a quick mouse shortcut for pasting values. So there are a ton of ways to copy and paste values in Excel, but this is one you might not have seen before. So in this column here, in column F, I have some formulas and formatting, and I just want to paste the values to column H. So I'm first going to select the cells that I want to copy. Then I'm going to hover the mouse cursor over the border here until I get the crosshair with the arrows, like I'm going to move the range. But first I'm going to right click and hold. So not left click, but right click and hold. And then we're going to drag the range over here to column H and release the right mouse button. And when we do that, we get this new menu with some of the paste special options. And we have one right here, copy here as values only. So we're just going to left click that. And that of course will paste the values right here. So I call this the right-click drag method for pasting values, and it can be slightly faster than if you were to select the range, right-click copy, and then go over here and right-click paste values. Once you get the hang of it, it can be pretty fast. Now, of course, one limitation with that is you can only paste those values on the same sheet. You can't use that right-click drag method to paste values on another sheet. But one place this can really come in handy is we're going to go over to this other sheet here with the same setup, is if you want to replace the values in an existing range. So we're going to do the same process there. Again, I have formulas right here, and I want to replace those with values. So I'm just going to hover over here to the edge of the border of that range. I'm going to right click and hold. I'm going to quickly drag to the right, then drag back to the left, release that right mouse button, and click copy here as values only. So that again will replace those formulas with the values. So once you get the hang of that, it can be really fast. I'll just select that, drag to the right, drag to the left, copy here as values only, and that does that copy and paste values. So this was a popular suggestion from my video last week on 5 keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste values. So if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go check that out. And there are a ton of ways to copy and paste values in Excel. So if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed that video, there are a few simple things you can do to help me out. If you are watching this video on YouTube, click the like button below the video and leave a comment with any questions or feedback. And please don't forget to subscribe to my free email newsletter to get more tips and tricks that will help you learn Excel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.